my name's Kimberley Law. I'm a digital educational specialist, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs in the classroom to teach English grammar. So you can see right now I'm on my Google Drive, and to open a new document, I'm going to go over to New, which is right here, and I'm going to click on Google Docs. As you can see, I've got my brand new Google document open, and I'm going to give it a name so that I don't lose it. That's up in the left-hand corner of the document, and I'm going to call it English Grammar. It's now time to share the Google Doc with your students because you want them to work on this document all together. So you need to go up to the right-hand corner where the button says Share, the blue button here that I'm about to click. And when you click on that, you can either put in the email address of your students, or you can copy the link, which is down the bottom here. I'm going to click copy link, and you can post that in Google Classroom for all your students to access. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs from K to 12. In this example, it's early primary years. And you can see here that a few students have written some sentences about what they've done today. So all the students have access to this document and they're watching each other write different sentences. You could ask the students to go ahead and highlight all the nouns in these sentences, and you can ask them to highlight it in red. Now up here is the highlight button where you can see the highlight color, and they might go over to the word beach and they're going to highlight it in red. Ice cream, highlight it in red, and so on. You could then ask the students, can you highlight all the verbs in blue? Go over to the verbs, the highlight button, and put it in blue. And as you go through, you can also have a look at the sentences. One sentence here says, today I eat sandwiches. We can start a discussion about, is eat the correct verb? Should we be using the present tense or should it be the past tense? And that's a discussion that you can have. So you can see I've switched to more advanced sentences here, which would be with high school students. And you can share the Google Doc again with the students. You can have them write paragraphs. You can have the whole class on the one document or have it private. Here I'm giving an example of students sharing a document and each writing a sentence. You could do a lesson on conjunctions here. You could ask the students to highlight the conjunctions in purple. I'm going to highlight since here, purple, although, and because. You can ask why a conjunction starts a sentence or is in the middle. You can have a look at if a sentence starts with a conjunction, what do we have in the middle of the sentence? And you can see here there is a comma. There is a comma here. What does that mean? What are these? What does the comma represent? Is it a clause? What type of clause? Is it independent? Dependent? You could also teach simple, compound, and complex sentence structures. You could ask the students to highlight the simple sentences in these complex sentences. So if I look at the first sentence, people have played with toys. That is a simple sentence. I'm going to highlight that yellow. Although he was short, Napoleon was highly respected and a well-accomplished soldier. We have a simple sentence here. And somebody might ask, well, why isn't it a compound sentence? Because and is in the middle. Well, and a well-accomplished soldier cannot stand alone. That's where we talk about also what is although he was short. That is a dependent clause because it also can't stand alone.